That smell. That sharp, chemical, unmistakable smell of bug spray. For years, that was the smell of my kitchen. It was the smell of another failed attempt to win a war I was definitely losing. I remember standing there, can in hand, looking at a line of ants marching confidently across my countertop as if they owned the place. I'd spray, they'd vanish for a day, and then they'd be back. It was a frustrating, expensive, and frankly, unsettling cycle. I just hated the idea of all those chemicals being where I prepare food, where my family lives. I used to spend a small fortune on those chemical pest sprays to fight a never-ending battle. I hated the smell and worried about the toxins lingering in our home. Are you tired of that same fight? That feeling that your home isn't truly your own? I finally found a simple, natural solution that not only helped me manage my pest problem, but also changed my cooking and how I think about my family's wellness. And it all started with this one, beautifully simple plant. Mint. It's a battle fought in millions of homes. You see a bug, you want it gone. It's a natural instinct. So we reach for the quickest solution we can find, which is usually a can of insecticide. But did you know that a huge percentage of our exposure to pesticides actually happens indoors? We think we're containing the problem to one little area, but these chemicals can linger in the air and settle in the dust we breathe. Even the short-term effects can be unsettling, sometimes mimicking flu symptoms like headaches, dizziness, and nausea. I remember getting headaches after a deep clean with sprays and never making the connection. But it's the thought of long-term exposure that's really worrying. While more research is needed, some studies suggest potential links between prolonged exposure to certain pesticide chemicals and more serious health issues, from respiratory problems to effects on the nervous system. I was trapped in this loop. The problem was the ants. The solution was the spray. But then the spray itself became the problem. I was trading one threat for another, and I felt powerless. The ants would always find a new way in, and I would have to keep buying and spraying these chemicals in the heart of my home. It was a toxic cycle, literally. I knew there had to be a better way. My breaking point came one morning when I found my toddler trying to get a closer look at the ant parade on the floor, just inches from where I had sprayed the night before. My heart just stopped. That was it. No more. That night, I went down a research rabbit hole, desperately searching for non-toxic alternatives. And that's when I kept seeing one word pop up again and again: mint. It seemed almost too simple. Could a plant really do what a can of engineered chemicals couldn't? I was skeptical, but also desperate. As it turns out, the science is pretty straightforward. Mint plants produce a potent aromatic oil, and the key component in that oil is menthol. For us, it's a refreshing, pleasant smell. For many pests, it's a powerful assault on their senses. The strong scent of menthol essentially creates a natural barrier. It disrupts the sensitive receptors of insects, making it hard for them to navigate or find food. For ants specifically, it can really throw them off course. Ants follow invisible chemical trails, called pheromones, to lead their colony to food. The strong scent of mint can help mask these trails. It's not about killing them on sight. It's about making your home an unattractive place for them to be. It can help deter ants, mosquitoes, spiders, and flies. So, I decided to try it. I bought a small mint plant from a local nursery. I didn't plant it in the garden, and this is a crucial tip because mint is an aggressive grower and can take over everything. Instead, I kept it in a simple pot on my kitchen windowsill. Then, I made my first batch of mint spray. I took a handful of fresh leaves, steeped them in hot water like tea, let it cool, and poured it into a spray bottle. I sprayed it along the baseboards, the door frames, and across the countertops where the ants always showed up. The next morning I walked into the kitchen holding my breath. And there was nothing, no ants. The daily parade across my counter was gone. The difference was night and day. This simple, fresh-smelling, all-natural spray was working. Now, what I didn't expect was that this little pest-deterring plant would become a new staple for my family's wellness. My journey started with pest control, but it ended with so much more. Let's talk about the incredible benefits packed into these leaves. The same menthol that bugs can't stand can have a wonderfully soothing effect on our bodies. The most immediate benefit I discovered was for digestion. You know that heavy, bloated feeling after a big meal? A simple cup of fresh mint tea became my go-to. Mint has been used for centuries as a digestive aid because it helps relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, which can ease indigestion and gas. It didn't stop there. During cold and flu season, mint became a go-to comfort. Inhaling the steam from a cup of hot mint tea can act as a natural decongestant, as the menthol helps open up nasal passages. It's a gentle way to breathe a little easier. I even started keeping a little rollerball of diluted peppermint essential oil on hand. For tension headaches, a little dab on the temples can be incredibly soothing. The aroma itself is a well-known stress reliever. Just rubbing a fresh leaf between your fingers and inhaling can have a noticeable calming effect. Of course, for any chronic or serious issues, you should always talk to a doctor, but for everyday discomforts, it became a wonderful, gentle option. It even freshens your breath from the inside out and has natural antibacterial properties. I also learned that a tiny amount of fresh mint leaf, not the essential oil, can be safe for dogs and may even help their digestion and breath. This single plant, which I had brought home just to fight ants, was now a cornerstone of my family's wellness routine. And as if helping with pests and boosting our wellness wasn't enough, this humble plant completely transformed my cooking. For years, the only mint I knew came in a tea bag or as a chalky candy. I had no idea what I was missing. Having a pot of fresh mint on the windowsill changed everything. The difference between fresh and dried mint is like night and day. Fresh mint has a bright, clean flavor that elevates so many dishes. It opened up my cooking to so many new flavors. It started with drinks. I began adding a few leaves to my water bottle each morning for a refreshing twist. Then came the teas, not from a bag, but from fresh leaves steeped in hot water. The flavor is so much more complex. And of course, on a hot day, there's nothing better than a mojito made with mint plucked straight from the plant. Soon I got bolder and started adding it to savory dishes. A handful of chopped mint in a simple salad with cucumbers and tomatoes adds an amazing burst of freshness. I learned to make mint pesto, which is amazing on pasta or grilled chicken. I tossed it with roasted vegetables and stirred it into yogurt to make a cooling sauce for spicy dishes. The possibilities felt endless, and the best part was that it was right there on my windowsill. No more buying those expensive little plastic clamshells of herbs from the grocery store that go bad in 2 days. I had a constant, living supply of fresh flavor, just waiting to be used. It made my cooking feel more alive, more creative, and infinitely more delicious. This one plant truly changed my home for the better, and I believe it can do the same for you. So now, I'm curious to hear from you. What pests are you battling in your home or garden? Have you ever tried using herbs for pest control? Or do you have a favorite natural solution you swear by? Please, share your stories and tips in the comments below. I try to read every single one, and we can all learn from each other. And if you found this video helpful and think this information could help someone you know, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more natural home and garden solutions. It truly helps the channel more than you know. It's amazing to think that my journey started with so much frustration, with the smell of chemicals and the endless parade of ants. Looking back, I'm almost grateful for that problem because it led me to such a simple and powerful solution. We often think we need a harsh chemical for every problem, but it's a good reminder that sometimes nature has an effective solution waiting for us. By swapping a can of spray for a simple pot of mint, I didn't just get rid of pests. I created a healthier home, a more vibrant kitchen, and a deeper connection to the natural solutions that are all around us. It all starts with one small plant,